Hi, welcome to Ring Bell. This video is about Windows 11 uh, taskbar. Hope you have all installed Windows 11 and is enjoying the new taskbar that is available in Windows 11. Now this video will tell you how you can customize the taskbar after you download and install Windows 11. There are a couple of things you can do with the Windows 11 taskbar. As you can see that it is now centralized. It is now in the center. Microsoft have added several new features to the operating systems like support for Android apps, redesigned system apps, and so on. However, the other system components have been modified like the start menu. The biggest changes to the start menu for Windows 11 is the removal of live tiles and the centering of the start button. Another big change is that the taskbar is now fixed and cannot be moved from the bottom edge. The search bar is now a part of start menu and requires additional input. These are all important changes that Microsoft have made, keeping in mind that the overall change to the operating system with Windows 11. While some features like moving the taskbar to the other edge of the screen may return in the coming months, however, here how you can customize the Windows 11 taskbar after downloading the update that you are currently using. Now the first thing, how to move the start menu back to the left again. If you are looking forward to move the start menu back to the left again, there is an option to do that. I'll show you how you can do that. For that, you have to right click on the taskbar and select the taskbar settings. Now you will get all the personalization settings related to the taskbar. From here, you can add the search button or remove the search button. You can do the customization here. Task view, then widgets, chats, you can add and remove it from here. Now from here, you can add the corner icons which you want. If you want a touch keyboard to be added, you can add it from here. You can see that the keyboard is now available here. This is how you can bring the keyboard, the virtual keyboard. Now if you want to turn it off, you can do it from there. If you want a virtual touchpad, you can enable it. You will get the virtual touchpad here. I'm turning it off. Now the important thing is that if you want to customize the taskbar, if you want to bring the menu back to the left side, you have to click on the taskbar behaviors. Now if you expand it, you can see that the taskbar alignment is now available in front of you. Now click on that and select left. That's it. Now you can see that the taskbar is moved to the left side. I'll turn this window off. Then everything will move to the left side. The menu, the task menu, the taskbar, everything will move to the left side. Now if you want to recustomize it again, right click on it again. Take the taskbar settings. Now go to the taskbar behavior. Now make it center. I'll move back to the center. So, and if you want to automatically hide the taskbar, you can click that. It will automatically hide it. If you place the cursor there, it will pop up. So that also is possible here. Now these are the first personalization you can do with the taskbar. Now if you want to realign the icons in the taskbar, what you can do is like just double click on it, then move to the place where you want to place it. For example, I am placing it my PC here. That's how you can move the icons in the taskbar and rearrange it. Next one, how you can how to pin and unpin apps to the taskbar. The current Windows 11 build doesn't support drag and drop features currently, so you have to learn how you can do that. For example, I'm bringing OBS Studio and I'm trying to drop it here. You can see that it don't drop here. I'm trying the other one. You can see that it won't get, you will not be able to drag and drop it here in the taskbar. So how you can do that? So the next thing which we are trying to point out is how you can pin and unpin apps to the taskbar. So how to pin and unpin the apps to the taskbar. It's now easy to unpin. I'll show you. If you want to unpin an app, for example, I want to unpin the mail, right click on it and unpin from the taskbar. But how you can add it again? For that, you have to go to the app, whichever app you want. Then the first thing, either you have to, the one way is that you have to right click on the particular app, then click pin to the taskbar. So it will come here. As you can see right now it is here. So this is the way you can pin and unpin the apps to the taskbar, the apps icon to the taskbar. So these are the two things you can do with your new version of Windows 11 and the customizing the taskbar. Hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll come up with more updates regarding the Windows 11. So keep posted. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.